Soundwave-Gram enables developers to synthesize natural-sounding speech with dozens of voices, available in multiple languages and variants. It applies DeepMind's groundbreaking research in WaveNet and powerful neural networks to deliver the highest fidelity possible. Try right now. It is equipped with a 20mm cannon with 750 rounds of ammunition, as well as guided air-to-air and air-to-ground missiles, unguided rockets, and bombs. One Super Cobra helicopter costs $10.5 million. The Mi-24 is a well-known assault helicopter gunship that is still in service with at least 50 air arms throughout the world. Despite their antiquity, the Mi-24 series gunships are still in widespread use, with the Russian Army being the largest operator with over 700 helicopters. Algeria is another big consumer. Angola, Hungary, Belarus, Czech Republic, India, Kazakhstan, Libya, and Poland are the most populous countries in the world. The Mi-24 has a 12.7mm Yak the minigun in a chain turret, as well as a two-barreled 30mm GSH-30K autocannon straddling the right side of the cockpit, and guided anti-tank missiles on the outer pylons. One Mi-24 helicopter costs around $12 million. The WZ-10 is a new Chinese attack helicopter that has been in development since the mid-1990s. It was designed with a lot of help from Eurocopter and Augusta. The WZ-10 helicopter is a conventional gunship design with a small fuselage and twin cockpits. Armor plates are thought to protect all essential parts. The WZ-10's weaponry could include a 30mm cannon and HJ-8 or HD-9 anti-tank guided missiles. HJ-10 anti-tank missiles and TY-90 air-to-air missiles, both newly developed. The WZ-10 is $17 million in price. Mi-28N is a military aircraft. The Russian Air Force has up to 60 of these variants currently termed the Mi-28 and Night Hunter, according to Western reports. The Mi-28N has a normal helicopter gunship configuration with the pilot in the back and the gunner in front. It is armed with a 30mm trainable weapon mounted in a turret beneath the nose. Two pods of 80mm unguided rockets and 16 anti-tank guided missiles can be carried by this gunship. In terms of cost, you'd have to pay $18 million to buy the Mi-28N. The Bell AH-1Z Viper is a twin-engine attack helicopter developed with the U.S. Marine Corps as part of the H-1 upgrading program. It is based on the AH-1W Super Cobra. It can work at any time of day or night, as well as in inclement weather. It has infrared and night vision, as well as new targets. Viper's search and acquisition software are extremely adaptable. On stub wings, the AH-1Z carries roughly 2 tons of weaponry, most commonly Hellfire anti-tank missiles up to 16 in pods with 70mm unguided rockets. The AH-1Z Viper helicopter costs $31 million. The Mopk and the KA-52 Alligator is a 2-seat version of the KA-50, which is a multi-role all-weather attack helicopter that can operate both during the day and at night. The KA-52 was ordered for Russian service in 2008, and small-scale series production began in 2009. 116. The Alligator's armor can withstand hits from 23mm projectiles, and the pilots are seated in ejection seats. It can also fly if one of the engines fails. The KA-52 is equipped with a side-mounted 30mm gun. There are 6 external hardpoints for various weapon combinations, like as anti-tank missiles. Air-to-air missiles Vickers 5 Pons with unguided missiles and bombs in a glove. The Alligator's price tag is estimated to be around $32 million. The RC-665, also known as the Tiger in France and the Tiger in Germany, was developed in 1984 to meet French and German demands for an advanced multi-role helicopter for battlefield operations. In a typical European scenario, Tiger helicopters are armed with 8 Lockheed Martin Hellfire 2 air-to-ground missiles. The Hellfire 2 has a laser seeker that is semi-active and has a range of 8 kilometers. The Tiger is also equipped with 4 Mistral air-to-air missiles, 1 Nexter formerly G at 30mm cannon turret 70mm rockets. The price of a single Eurocopter Tiger helicopter is $39 million. The War Eagle is a South African Denel Aviation assault helicopter of the current generation. This gunship helicopter is equipped with a 20mm cannon located on the nose and can transport up to 16 indigenous ZT-6 Macapa helicopters. Surprisingly, the Macapa is one of the world's most potent anti-tank guided missiles, with a 10-kilometer range. The Royal can also transport smaller U.S. TOW anti-tank guided missiles. This South African helicopter can also carry air-to-air missiles with a short range. To own a single Royal helicopter, you'll need to spend $40 million.
The AgustaWestland Middle and Turkish Aerospace Industries collaborated to produce the T lightweight attack helicopter. The T is a variant of an Italian T Mangusta adapted to meet Turkish needs. It has been put together in Turkey. Turkish high-tech avionics weapon systems, mission computer self-protection suites, and other technologies are used in this attack helicopter. The T-129 gunship carries a 20mm 3-barreled cannon in the nose turret and can also carry Stinger air-to-air missiles or remotely operated rockets. The helicopter costs $52 million. The AW-64D Apache Longbow is a Heavy Division Corps attack helicopter used by the US Army. It has improved targeting, cockpit communications, armament, and navigation capabilities. A total of 16 Hellfire 2 anti-tank missiles can be carried by this gunship. It can also carry 2 IBM-122 Sidearm air-to-ground anti-radiation missiles for self-defense against hostile air defense systems and helicopters. The Longbow Apache may carry 4 AIM-92 Stingers, 4 Mistral, or 2 AIM-9 Sidewinders short-range air-to-air missiles. The AW-64D helicopter is the world's most costly, costing around $61 million.